Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix outdated WooCommerce templates. Now before we begin, I have to notify you that a lot of the features in WordPress, like WooCommerce and etc., requires a paid subscription. Now as you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally so you can achieve and complete your tasks successfully. So let's dive in and follow these few steps together. The first step is to identify the outdated templates. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials. Once you logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now, access the WooCommerce options right here in the left sidebar. And when you pay for a subscription, you can start a new store. Click on start a new store if you don't have already have one. And but if you have, you can go here and go to WooCommerce and then go to status and then go to templates and note which files are outdated. Now after doing that, the second step is to update template files. Now to do so, just navigate to WP Content, Themes, Your Theme, and WooCommerce, and replace the outdated files with updated versions from WP Content, Plugins, WooCommerce, Templates. Now for the third step is to test your site. Check your site's pages to ensure the updates didn't break functionality. And that's it. If you follow these steps that I said, you're going to be able to fix the outdated WooCommerce templates. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.